What's up everyone, welcome back to my studio. My name is Michael Taylor and thank you for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to be making something and it's going to be helping my videos because as you can tell right now I've got these really harsh shadows. I look very sickly and pale all the time and that's mostly because it's winter, but it also has to do with the lighting. But basically what I'm getting at is I'm going to be making my own light boxes. So I went online and I was going to order some, but they're like $100 for a set. So I was like, don't really need them that badly. So what I decided is I'm just going to try my hand at making them. So let me turn you around so that I can show you my current setup. Very rudimentary. So I just got this light, and as you can tell, they're pretty harsh. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And what I plan to do is I plan to take these lampshades and I'm going to drape this bed sheet over the top of them and then just kind of paper or clip them down. Then I'm going to put those in front of my lights and hopefully that will dissipate or distribute the light more evenly and it won't look as harsh and I won't have these bad shadows. Alright, so the first one is finished. Obviously it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it gets the job done. Basically I tied it to this lampshade because if my mom ever wants this lampshade again, I didn't want to tear it up or glue it or do anything that would damage it. And then I just tied the back of the little desk lamp to itself, kind of hold it in place. And this is the effect that you will get. And as you can tell, it's a lot less harsh than something without a diffuser, and that just allows for more light to get around me and reduces the shadow effect. This one is completed, and as you can tell, I put a white light instead of the soft warm light that I had in before. I just think that this will give me, just a better look. I'm afraid the warm light wasn't bright enough, so I'm gonna try these out and see how they work. But I'm very happy with how they turned out. Again, they don't look beautiful, but I think they will get the job done. All right, so here's a quick little test run. This is what it looks like without the lights. And this is what it looks like with the lights. So hopefully that helps, even if it's just a little bit. And if it doesn't, oh well. But that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.